Hello everyone. This video is going to be about my two new beds I'm putting in. They're out of 2x8 inch lumber. They're 8 feet long and 2 feet wide. And I got 5 boards so I can make 2 of them. With some of the changes around in the garden this year that we've lost a little space. And the last thing I want to do is have a smaller garden, so these 2 new beds are going to be here. They're going to be right here leaning up against this fencing in the middle of the yard that we use for the dogs. So it'll probably put peppers or tomatoes, and I've got a fence to run them up. And so these are 2 foot by 8 foot by 8 inches. There's 2 of them. I'm going to start them out with a layer of chips, just to give me a base to help kill off the grass. And I'll have to add some nitrogen, some blood meal, because the chips of course will pull a lot of nitrogen out, and I want to make sure the soil is good and rich, so I'll add some nitrogen to it. So we're going to start with some chips, and it's time to get started. I've gotten 2 truckloads of chips from a tree company. It always goes away really fast. Then I get about 3/4 of the way done, and then it's like, wow, I got chips everywhere. And still there's more chips. So this end of the pile has a lot of the branches and leaves, so it'll break down quicker. That should be enough of that for down there. The wide covering on the bottom. Those chips heating up will help warm up the soil. Now I'm going to add a little bit of blood meal on top to give me some nitrogen. This is what I found out in the shed. EB Stone organic blood meal. Usually I get it in a bag. This must have been on sale somewhere to get it in a box. And I'm just going to sprinkle some of that in here. Now I'm going to go start getting the compost. Since this stuff is going to go into a garden bed, not a pot or potting soil, I'm going to use a much thicker screen, because I really just want to stop the really big pieces. Well, time to take this over. Well, 3 loads with that cart there fills it up pretty good. Now, today's Wednesday. We're supposed to be down in the real low 40s either Saturday or Sunday morning, so it's a little early to be putting tomatoes or peppers out, but I'm really glad to have this bed put together because now it's got about a week to settle, and I haven't added any bag stuff. This is all compost, pure compost out of my compost area. Beautiful soil. So we'll let that settle and work for a week, see how the temperatures are doing, and I may add a bag of the potting soil that I bought with some manure in it, just to put a little something extra on top, and then this thing will be ready to plant. So that's going to give me 16 feet, 2 feet wide. That's enough room for quite a few peppers or tomatoes or whatever I may want it to be. So that's how I put together a new bed, and they've been working like this for me very, very successfully. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching.